how we're going to do our deposits or withdrawals for our IRR, our internal rate of return. We are going to only use our inflows or outflows. What are those? The inflows are all of the positive dollar amounts going in, so our initial deposit plus all of our regular yearly deposits. The outflows, this seems a little bit counterintuitive. We need this to have things balance out. So our final deposit minus our final account balance will be our one outflow. So this seems a little bit funny, but what this is the following. We have to assume that we withdraw the final account balance. For Excel to balance everything out with this IRR, and in general to balance everything out, once you've ended an account, you need to withdraw that money. If the account ends, if you left the money in there, it would just be like giving it back to the bank. So we always withdraw that final balance when we close the account, and we account for that with a negative of it. So your final outflow or your final year 30 cash flow will be your final amount deposited minus that final account balance. Let's go have a look at that. So that guy right here is going to be special. We're going to deal with that in one sec. Let's go get our initial first 30 cash flows. So every year to get our deposits or withdrawals, we're just going to take the amount we deposited, and that's going to be that IRR cash flow. So again, the actual amounts we put in the account will be those cash flows for our IRR, and the very final one will be that 18,000 minus the balance in the account, because again, once you close the account, you need to withdraw that money. Notice it's a little bit funny. Again, in this case, we're having our payments be at the end of each payment period. So this 18,000 does not gather interest. We pretty much put it in and then take it right out. So we put it in and then take out the account balance. It's easy enough to put your payments at the beginning of the term as well. Or if you wanted, you could just take out this final payment altogether, because why are you putting money in just before you withdraw? Okay, but yeah, so that is our deposit withdrawal amount for the IRR for that last year, and again, it's pretty special. All the other ones are just the deposit amount, including this initial one. This final one is the special one.